Well, it's kind of along the lines of we've evolved from. I mean, we're a food trailer, but we've really, especially the last 2 years here, we've embraced the concept that we're actually more of an experience based food trailer. Though we're like, it's not
It's
just
so
about
so
hey,
important.
it's cool that they enjoy the food and everything, and it is. That's obviously the most important part. But we play music. We're trying to create an atmosphere, an ambiance. If we're gonna go feed a bunch of people at lunch at a company, we want them to enjoy themselves. Come out. We are probably the fastest truck you're gonna see. I know that's probably a little pat myself on the back, but we've
Pat, pat,
curated.
man, pat,
We,
pat.
we yeah, well, we've curated these processes to be able to get food out quickly to people when it's hot, it's fresh, it's good.